Today we will learn our new letter J. Letter J. It's capital letter J and it's small letter J. J sound, J, J, J. You know about that sound? Yes, very good. J, J, J. J, J, J. Now we will write the capital letter J and small letter J. We have 4 lines. First we write the capital letter J from the first line and we will draw a standing line with the small backward curve. It's called the capital letter J. And now we write the small letter J from the second line till the last line with the small backward curve. It's called a small J. It's called a small J. We will draw a dot on the top. It's called small J and it's called capital J. J sound, J, J, J. J, J, Jolly Joker. J, J, Jolly Joker. J, J, Jolly Joker. What's the name of this letter? Letter J. J sound, J, J, J. J, J, J. Now we have some pictures here on our Phonic is Fun book. Phonic is Fun book. J. This letter is letter J. J, J. Jeep. J, J. Jeep. J, J. Jeep. J, J. Jeep. Oh, what is this? J, jackal. J, jackal. J, jackal. Oh wow, same. One is here and one is here. Very good. J, J, Jolly Joker. J, J, Jolly Joker. Oh, what is this? Are you like this? अब ये क्या है हमारे पास? ज, जग. ज, जग. और जग के अंदर क्या है? ज, जूस. ज, जूस. ज, जग. ज, juice. Okay, now repeat this. It's your turn. This letter is letter J. J, jeep. J, jeep. J, jackal. Jackal. J, jackal. J, jackal. J, jackal. J, jolly joker. J, jolly joker. J, jug. J, jug. J, juice. J, juice. Very good. Now tell me which letter is this? Letter J. Letter J is capital letter J and it's small letter J. J sound, J, J, J. J, J, J. Okay, Ji, very nice. Love is.